Very often, in addition to the guardianships, there is a power of attorney that families can use to their advantage. Tell us a little bit about power of attorney. What does that mean, that expression, power of attorney?
Well, let's talk about the most important one. I think that's there and available now is the durable power of attorney for health care.
Durable power.
And
durable
power of attorney for health care. Durable means it just survives your incompetency.
Okay.
And so many powers of attorney might end on the incompetency of the individual, but a durable one lasts all the way till death.
Oh, okay.
But when you have a health care power of attorney, you're naming someone who can make important medical decisions for you, that has access to your medical records, because under HIPAA, as you know, it's very difficult to access medical records. But if you have a power of attorney for health care that's properly drafted, your health care agent can access the records they need to make sure you're cared for, and they can also make elective surgery decisions, medication decisions for you. Without that, it's very difficult for the doctors and the hospitals to care for you. And in addition, that power of attorney for health care can instruct your agent to also direct for the removal of life support when you're in an irreversible terminal condition.
Right, the do not resuscitate portion, sure. Because I remember, as an example, a woman whose mother was suddenly stricken very ill, and when she went to the hospital told her that the HIPAA regulations did not allow for them to discuss different aspects, whereas if she had had that power of attorney for health care, there wouldn't have been any question at all, and they would have avoided a really, what turned out to be very stressful situation, because HIPAA is there to protect you, your rights and your privacy, and if you want your family to be able to see and have access and make decisions, you have to have that healthcare power of attorney.
Yes, as I practice more and more today, I almost feel like that healthcare power is more important than a will. I mean, a will is still very important, and a trust perhaps.
Oh, sure.
But that healthcare power is important. Another type of power of attorney is an asset power of attorney. And that's where you can appoint someone to make decisions on your behalf if you're ever incompetent, where they could help access bank accounts, help pay bills, help make sure payments are made on mortgages, that type of thing. So that's called a power of attorney for asset management, and that's an important power. If you have a trust, you don't need that necessarily because your successor trustee can do that for you. Sure. But that's another important power of attorney.
That's another one, yeah. So there's a lot of things there.
Yes.
Now, I understand from your assistant, Sandy Simpson, that people get a free 30-minute consultation.
Yes.
If they contact you or they contact Sandy.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. What's the phone number?
The phone number is 702, of course, 433-4455.
Okay.
So we'd love to help anyone that
has questions
and can come in. We have a very congenial staff. I think here we really try to be nice and make it easy, make the process easy for everybody.
Yeah, that's great. Well, I hope this has been helpful to everybody out there, and we want to thank Jeffrey for taking the time to explain to us a little bit more about healthcare law. And thank you.
Thank you.